In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project safely. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the action with confidence, all while avoiding common mistakes. Keep in mind that deleting a project is often permanent and may remove related tasks, files, or reports. So take a moment to confirm you're acting on the right item before you proceed. First, head to the Projects area. This is typically labeled Projects in your app's main navigation, often along the top bar or down the left sidebar. Once you're in your account and on the main dashboard, look for the Projects tab and click it. Think of this as your home base for everything you've created. If your interface looks a little different, the wording might vary slightly, but you're looking for the central list where all your projects live. Next, find your project. Scan the list for the exact name you want to remove. If your list is long, use the search bar, filters, or sorting options to narrow it down by owner, date, or status. Double-check that you're in the correct workspace or team, especially if you collaborate across multiple groups. It's worth pausing here to confirm you've selected the correct project, because the next step can't always be undone. When you've located the right project, click the Delete icon. This is usually represented by a small trash can, or it may appear inside a three-dot options menu beside the project's name. Hovering over the icon often reveals a tooltip that says Delete. Be careful not to click into the project itself. Stay on the project list and target the delete control that applies to that one project. Finally, confirm deletion. A confirmation prompt should appear asking if you're sure. Read it carefully. Some platforms offer an archive option, while others require you to type the project's name to proceed. If you're absolutely certain, approve the deletion. This is your last checkpoint to prevent accidental loss. After you confirm, the project should disappear from the list. If you still see it, refresh the page to update the view. If your platform supports a recycle bin or restore window, you may have a limited time to recover the project, but don't rely on that unless you know it's available. And that's it. Click Projects, find your project, hit the delete icon, and confirm. Take your time at each step, and you'll delete the right project safely and confidently.